You may ask, why should you file an asbestos claim with the Holland law firm? Unfortunately, I can't answer that question for you. That's a question that you have to answer yourself. But that's an important question to me as well, because I want to know what your why is. There's multiple reasons why you could file an asbestos claim. One would be to help you to take care of medical bills, to take care of lost income, to take care of pain and suffering and all the damages that are associated with being diagnosed with a mesothelioma or a lung cancer. That sometimes is what drives people to file a lawsuit. That may be your why. Another reason may be because you want the companies to pay for what they've done to not only yourself, but to prevent them from doing it to people down the road in the future. One of the major factors that lead people to pursue asbestos lawsuits against companies is the fact that they knew about the dangers of asbestos and continue to use those products and expose people to asbestos. And a lot of people are concerned about their family legacy. What does it mean for the ones that they leave behind? I have families that want to do this to make sure their grandchildren are able to go to college, to make sure that their widow, their loved one that's left behind, is able to make ends meet and live a comfortable life when they're no longer there to support them. So your why varies depending on the person. One of the most important factors in dealing with an asbestos lawsuit is the statute of limitations, because time is of the essence. Each state has a limited time frame for which you can bring these suits. And we're here at the Holland law firm to make you aware of that and make sure that we prosecute your claim in a timely manner. When we work with you, we jump in there, we hold your hand, we get you through the process as quickly as possible, because the most important thing in these days is that you spend time with your family. So we work with you to get the litigation portion complete, to get everything wrapped up, and so the remaining time you can spend enjoying your family and enjoying your life. Another important thing that I think people fail to realize is that they even have options. And I also believe that people are sometimes intimidated by the process. And that's what we're here for. We're here to make sure that your journey through this is a journey that you're comfortable with and that you understand thoroughly. And so that's why we at the Holland Law Firm, when we introduce ourselves to you, when we make that point of contact, we want to learn what it is that you know about the process and what it is you don't understand, so we can explain to you and help you walk through this process. It's a journey that we're going to take hand in hand with you all the way through.